So this is the new Quetzalcoatl tank. Looks like it's set up to cycle, but it's not really. What's going on is I just made this background again, new fresh concrete, trying to leach all sorts of, trying to get all the stuff from the concrete to leach out into the water. So I usually do that with like a couple dozen water changes before I even start to try to cycle it. So it's up, it's full of water, it's looking pretty good. Look at how much the pH gets spiked though. So it's like deeper than the highest setting. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you about today. Today, remember my Fluval unboxing? So today I'm going to do something a little out of the usual. A dual Fluval unboxing. I'm going to do the Fluval Edge and the Evo. Going right here on this shelf. Okay, I think I just messed up and wasn't recording.
Oh my goodness.
So, what I've unboxed was some filter media. All kinds of stuff for the Fluval's filter stuff. The filter. The top, and of course some cycle, well, two things of cycle, and a little thing of water conditioner. I also mentioned that I was going to be unboxing the Fluval Edge first, and I will be unboxing the Evo saltwater kit second, so if you just want to see the unboxing of that, skip to this timestamp right here. No, sorry. This timestamp right here. And doing things a little different. Normally when I unbox a tank, I do the unboxing, I do the setup, I cycle it, I get fish in it, and then I get everything together and then I release the video. This time I'm just going to be doing the unboxing so you can see what's in the kit. And then at a later time I'll release the after I cycle and get fish in, I'll release the rest of the video for how I aquascaped it and everything I did with it. So, trying something a little different this time. Alright, we've got instructions. Who cares? Alright, and here is the aquarium. 12-gallon Fluval Edge tank. Alright, now this here is the base that the tank will sit on. Little back piece. Another little box. I wonder what it could be. Power supply for the LED. Let's see how this filter goes together. So we've got our sponge pad on there first. We got a top here. Trying to get the cable. There we go. I was being stubborn, but I got it. All right, so there it is. That's the Fluval Edge 12-gallon. I might have to do some playing around with it to make sure it's where I like it. All right. On to the Fluval Sea. All right, let's see what we got. A bunch of little boxes. This looks like a part of the lid. Power supply for the light. I'll bet this is the light. What, Leela?
It's this.
Oh.
It's a sharpener.
Well, there's a sharpener, I think, in the kitchen somewhere.
Right here.
Ooh, nice. Oh, this is a nice LED. What was in this box? Ah, looks like our pump. For circulating in the built-in sump. All right. And that top piece. I love you too. Oh. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Okay. Nice smooth little top here. Now we can pull out the aquarium. Just go ahead and take that off right there. Look at that. Okay, I have never done saltwater before, so this is brand new for me. Exactly how do I set this up? I don't know. This is new for me. Now, what I like about this is that the sump is all built into it. Let me see if we can take a look at that.
Spider, spider, spider.
Yeah, so we have sort of an overflow right here, flowing into this compartment here, which then flows up into our filter. Flows down, and I think the pump would go here to then pump the water back into the tank. Hopefully I'm doing it right. I don't know. So I guess this would go on here like that. Down to the pump. Let's see, this is rated at 1500. Is that right? 1500? Since I'm not filling it up with water yet, I'm going to leave the filtration in the plastic bags, but it's nice how it goes a little sump right for it. Go ahead and turn the light on because I like lights. Whew, that's bright. I feel like I'm missing something, like a heater or something. This heater is rated for 15 gallons. It's a 13-gallon tank, so it should be fine. All right, I also have a mini protein skimmer for this tank. See if I figure out how this is supposed to go. Let's see how this works. Now, since this is designed specifically for this tank, I think it's also designed to use as a standalone unit. So I believe I'm supposed to take off these suction cups first. If you can see those there. These. All right. Excellent. Trying to break the perforations off, and that piece broke right there. Shoot. So you don't go through breaking stuff. Make sure you have the proper tools. And there it is, all set up. I'll see you when I'm ready to start aquascaping and adding